how to find for the value of x in this simple question. 3 exponent x plus 6 exponent x divided by 3 exponent x is equal to 17, right? In mathematics, this expression here can be written as 3 exponent x divided by 3 exponent x plus 6 exponent x divided by 3 exponent x is equal to 17 in mathematics. This and this will cancel out. So 1 plus, for easiness, you can write 6 exponent x over 3 exponent x as 6 over 3 or exponent x is equal to 17. 6 over 3 is 2. So 1 plus 2 exponent x is equal to 17. Group items here. 2 exponent x is equal to 17 minus 1. So we have 2 exponent x is equal to 16. 16 can also be written as 2 exponent 4. So we have 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 4. The base are equal. Just equate the exponent. So x is equal to 4. As simple as that.